This is vitamin E oil. We're going to add 1 or 2 drops. Here you go. You can squeeze that. Hey everybody, I'm Christine from naturalkitchenschool.com, and today I'm going to show you an easy way to pamper yourself with a DIY green tea matcha face mask. It is so luxurious, moisturizing, and soothing. You will feel just like you visited the spa. And for all you busy moms out there, kids might just love helping you make this as well. It can be a fun afternoon project, so let's jump into the recipe. You want to help me make a face mask?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. We have 1 tablespoon of the green tea matcha powder. Ooh, smells so nice. What do you think we have here?
Honey.
That's right, 3 tablespoons of manuka honey. We're putting our 1 tablespoon of green tea matcha powder in a glass jar. And we're adding 3 tablespoons of our manuka honey. You could just use raw honey. You want to do it yourself?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna scoop that in there. Stir that together. I'm just going to squeeze in there a few pumps of our rosehip oil. This is 1 teaspoon of rosehip oil. Okay, that's good. Stop. So that was 1 teaspoon of rosehip seed oil. Now we're adding 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Here we go. Squeeze that in there. You're going to love this. She loves squeezing like toothpaste and things like that. Big blob. Whoa, okay, that's a generous teaspoon. This is where it gets really delicious. We're going to add 2 drops of pure rose essential oil. Okay, here we go. Drop that in there. Oh, it smells so nice. Smell it. It smells just like a rose flower. Here's our one last ingredient. This is vitamin E oil. We're going to add 1 or 2 drops. Here you go. You can squeeze that. Yep. And that just helps to preserve it a little longer. And it's nice for your skin too. And we're just going to give this another little stir. Oh my goodness, this is like so much green goodness. Wow, this is so yummy to treat yourself to something like this. So good for your skin. And you won't need all of this in one treatment, so you can refrigerate the leftovers. You just have to bring it to room temperature to soften it before using it again. Okay.
Okay.
You're gonna paint mommy's face?
Yeah. Face mask day.
We're doing face masks. This is so fun. All right, we got our towels. We're ready to go.
Cut it off.
Glasses off? Yep. Okay.
Yep.
Okay, look here, beautiful. It's very anti-inflammatory and helps with dry skin. The honey's really good for dry skin. I get to paint your face. This is fun. And then once you have the mask on, you're just going to let it sit for about 10 or 15 minutes. Woohoo! Does that feel funny? You're gonna get to do this to me too.
What's your face? Yeah.
You want to wash your face?
Yeah.
Right now?
Yeah.
You're supposed to keep it on for a little bit. Your little nose is so little. It's so cute.
Face mask.
I know. Look at her face mask. Ooh, look at you. Okay. Mommy's turn. No
hair.
No hair.
No hair.
No eyes.
No eyes.
Those are the rules.
That's all.
Otherwise, we don't know what may happen.
Forget.
No towel. Don't put on the towel. Seriously.
Seriously.
Just skin.
That's good.
Can we trust her? That laugh. Whoa!
Yeah.
Okay.
Pass off.
Okay, by yourself. Go ahead. Whoop, but
Okay.
not too drippy. Whoa. You just guide the process here a little. Here, you want to help spread it around?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Moral of this story.
T-shirt.
Wear an old shirt or a green shirt when you're doing this math.
Hand.
Your hand, you
Please.
can put on your neck. And now we're just gonna let this sit for 15 minutes, right? Although maybe we'll take yours off. So I'm letting my mask on a little longer. I want to take her mask off a little sooner, but I'm keeping mine on for the full 15 minutes. Should we use a little bit of witch hazel on your face?
Yeah. You did it.
You did it, you did it. This is alcohol-free witch hazel with a little aloe, so this will be nice and soothing. Just put a little bit of this to calm down any redness. Does it feel nice? This was like spa afternoon. Very nice, your skin is glowing. You look so beautiful. Okay, my skin is feeling amazing from this mask, and I know yours will too. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.